Welcome to a new video. In this video, we're going to talk about the 5 best game apps that can pay you real money. Let's get into the video. Wouldn't it be great if you could divert at least part of the time you spend staring at your phone playing game apps to win money? You're on your phone anyway, you may as well earn some cash while you're at it. That's why we put together this list of the best game apps to help you win money today. While these game apps won't be earning you enough to quit your day job, they can be a nice way to take a break and earn some extra cash. Number 1 is Solitaire Cube. For those of us who are card fanatics, Solitaire Cube is a great way to test your card skills and keep your brain sharp. It's available to download for free on iOS and on Android. If you love killing time playing solitaire and want to win cash, then this game is perfect. Solitaire Cube is like regular solitaire but faster, and you can play against another person. What we love about the game powered by skills is that it pairs you with other players that match your skill. This keeps it fair and engaged. There are 2 ways to play: Practice League and Pro League. Practice is straight up practice and pays out with Z coins. Pro allows you to play with real cash and even play in tournaments for people 17 years and older. Number 2 is Cashi. Cashi is a free app that lets you choose missions and then earn in-app coins when you play and complete those missions. This Android-only app then lets you turn your coins into deposits to your PayPal account. You can also use your earnings to get gift cards to Amazon and other retailers. The Google Play summary of the app says, there are many different missions to choose from and that you can earn coins quickly. According to the summary, the app contains puzzle games, strategy, arcade, adventure, action, casual, and more. You choose the games you want to play and then earn when you complete the game. The developer description says there are no in-app purchases with Cashi. Number 3 is 21 Blitz. 21 Blitz is described as blackjack meets solitaire. You can play head-to-head with other players, or you can play in multiplayer tourneys. You can play for free or enter one-on-one challenges or multiplayer challenges to win money. Whenever you choose to enter a head-to-head challenge or a multiplayer challenge, you are matched with players of similar skill levels. If you want to refer friends after you sign up, you can win bonus cash for doing so. Withdraw your earnings at any time. You need to be 18 years of age or older to play. Number 4 is Swagbucks. There are many different ways to earn while using the Swagbucks app, and the games are just one of the many options. You'll get rewarded with Swagbucks, which can be redeemed for prizes or gift cards to major retailers like Starbucks, Amazon, and Walmart. They're even offering a $10 sign-up bonus. One of the cool ways you can earn Swagbucks is by playing free games such as Swagasaurus Run or Swag Memory. There's a daily limit on how many Swagbucks you can earn from each game, so you may want to come back every day to increase your earnings. Number 5 is Blackout Bingo. Blackout Bingo offers a variety of games such as Yahtzee, Solitaire, Bingo, Blackjack, and more. It's available via iOS and on Android. Play 1 versus 1 or in groups. Play for tickets to use to buy prizes, and as you move up in rank, you can play for real cash if your state allows it. Prizes come in a variety of value levels, offering everything from mugs to portable speakers and more. There's no minimum age to play. However, if you want to play for and win real cash, you need to be at least 18 so you can have a PayPal account to get your winnings. That's it for today's video. Hope you liked it. If you found it helpful, then subscribe to our channel.